Okay, there's no intro or anything. Where are we? There's no title or whatever the menu. We just get in here. We just got in here. We always look so sad. You look terrible. I feel sorry for you. There's it's not my shadow, right? No. No, it's not. That's not me. There's something's following me. Man. Someone's. Who are you, man? Maybe I can save you. I can make you happy. Okay. So kill everyone. Not kill everyone. Oh. Hey, what's up, man? That's the intro. Oh. Uh, didn't expect that, man. Okay. What's up, everybody? James here, and welcome to Wonder and Zero. And yep, this is a horror game. I don't know about this game, but it's a horror game, so we're gonna play it now. The jump scare. This game is gonna be scary, man. Alright, let's go. Our story about a small world begins here. Within this small world, there are two realms that exist within. One of them is Sun Lily. The other realm is called Moon Lily. Both of these realms can be considered worlds of their own, like two sides of the same coin. The residents living on the realm of Sun Lily are called Sun Lilians. On the other hand, the residents living on Moon Lily are called Moon Lilians. Obviously, because Greenland's Sun Lily relies on the sun's energy to live, and Moon Lily thrives with the energy of Sun Lilian's dreams. Sun Lilian dreams, used as sustenance. Together, they live happily. However, the monster suddenly appeared in Sun Lily and began attacking the people. This outbreak was unprecedented and became a recent matter of grave concern. The monster was identified to be a Sun Lilian in disguise, and eventually they came to be labeled as Phantasma. The Phantasma acts according to its innate desires, and no one could simply stop it. It became a plague that threatened the peace of San Luis. Meanwhile, the number of people who have turned into phantasma continues to increase, with incidents of San Indians being attacked become more frequent. Is it on the news? Okay, let's give it a voice acting. To all residents of San Luis, we, the company of Crossway, have an announcement to share with you all. That's a good one. First and foremost, we would like to express our deepest condolences to those who have lost their parents, their precious family members and friends from this tragic series of events. We have conducted an investigation regarding the phantasm. We decided that the general public should learn that we discovered with our findings on the matter. The cause of a phantasm breakout with subsequent attacks have been identified. Someone has used AI Shiro to it's not AI. Shiro to hijack the Moon Lilians through our dreams. The Sun Lilians. For the next course of action in response to this incident, we have decided to delete the all Shiro Island, as this is designed to prevent further strategy from happening. But our management and personal information handled by all Shiro were now responsibly managed by us, Prospero. I can't voice out this, okay? I'm gonna read it fluently. And we will work hard to prevent such incidents taking place ever again in the future. That way, the world will be one step to a better place. We will protect San Lily to the best of our ability, and we will ensure your safety. Additionally, our research has revealed that experiencing nightmares is one of the risk factors becoming a phantasm. As a result, we at Crossplay need to develop a safety measure that prevents dreaming in the form of administering vaccines to the public. They kindly ask everyone to receive the vaccine at the hospital as soon as possible. So the likelihood of phantasma outbreaks will be reduced further. The world is still a harsh place, but we at Crossbed feels right to make it better for everyone. We will continue to dedicate ourselves to that goal. Not, no, not this again. No more just yet. This soon. I can't wait to meet with you. Alan. Who's Alan? Is that a dude? Ayan, it's a dude. It's a dude. You can read the previous dialogues. Okay, that's good. Alan. Alan, can you hear me? It's me, Yumi. You are in a nightmare, but I said, focusing legendary types. Okay, chill. Yeah, I know to play this. Run by using sprint button to cover of your stamina. Jump obstacles. Okay, alright. A monster is coming. Okay. That was close. Proceed now. Okay. No, I don't want to go there, man. He came from there. But woo! Oh! Run. It just only this. Okay. Relax at that window to gain composure. Is this the window? No, that's nothing. Okay. Ooh, this one. Your mentality is important goal to support. Okay, I'm taking notes. The path is open over the pala. It's sprint for extra boost. Okay, games. Oh man, it's too loud. I can't speak properly, man. Okay, wake up. Alan, wake up. Huh? Where am I? Finally, you woke up. You are inside of the dream. I see. That's all it is. In that case, good night. And to go back to sleep. Oh, don't go back. To go back to sleep now. It's pointless coming to the world of games seriously. By the way, who are you? You seem quite familiar. Are you talking to yourself, man? Really? You can't possibly have forgotten the Harry. Wait. I don't remember. I know you are familiar. I feel like I can remember something. Did you finally remember me? Nope, can't remember. I don't even know who you are, man. I can't remember anything at all. I'm you. Well, even if you have forgotten me by now, you will likely remember while exploring the dream. Huh? Exploring the dream or what? Lately, you have been having a lot of nightmares, and you came here to find out why. And then someone said they felt that their body was being controlled. I used my power to enter the dream space to get to the bottom of it. That's interesting. That sounds like something a crazy person would say. The crazy person is you, Alan. It's amazing how you talk as if it is someone else's dream. I really wanted to appear in the head. Don't worry, by the way, you may. Can't you come into the dream with me? No, it's the same person, man. I don't know who is you or Alan at this point. Okay. Unfortunately, I can't. I'm not capable of reaching out to you in that state. Right now, I can only communicate with you like this. When you start dreaming, I can't communicate with you anymore. So this might be the last time we can talk, really. That's terrible. I don't know what to do. When we play now, man, there's too much dialogue. Now I'm using my power to make the shapes in your memory take form and move. Maybe you can use something new. Shape move. What are you talking about? System. Guess to take a look around and explore around this empty space first. The power time design to do this. Yeah. What is this computer? It's powered on. It's working just fine, but what is that? Slow internet, I guess. I'm not sure what to do now at this point, so I reach for this computer. Nope. No, I quit, mate. There's a lot of jump scares, man. No. Okay, it's not a monster. Very cool. Audit writer, the founding a monster with 2 bars. I'm so sorry that it's so sad. Do you know the cause of this nightmare? By the way, Mr. Rabbit, I'm actually looking for the cause of my nightmares. Do you know anything about it? First of all, stop calling me Mr. Rabbit. It's just a formal way. We're not running a business anymore. We've been reading picture books and sleeping together since elementary school. Elementary. That's how I pronounce it. How could you have forgotten? You're kidding, right? Was our bond really that shallow? Do those things mean nothing to you? Sorry, I don't remember. Could you give me another hint about it? Since it seems like you've forgotten, allow me to jog your memory and go over again back to our course meeting. At least this can get lengthy, but I don't mind this go on. Okay. When I first came to the store with Witness with best buddying with you together every day. That time my plans were paid before I came to the store. But that dream was soon shattered as if I was given a false hope while other types of stuff animals were selling well. Nobody bought me for months. It made me feel quite unwanted, you see. Before even knew it, I became the oldest stock in the store, and eventually, I was put on sale. Well, here on sale. Even the shopkeeper was trying their best to get me sold. At that point, all my dreams and hopes I had from the beginning. One day, he offered before me. He often talked to me, even though I was still unsold. Even when I felt I wanted, even though it might have been boring in the long run. Imagining what we would do together made those glad days a bit more enjoyable and dangerous. But eventually, he stopped visiting me too. As I thought, no one truly stays forever. In the end, I was treated by flash. Wearing a black bag and trying to sad. I was born with stuff stamina to make someone happy. Hope. Hope. I skipped. I skipped a few dialogues. Okay. Though I'm still too cautious, so technically I can't talk. I remember now, you are Rabbi? Rabbi. Ah, so sorry for not realizing so. Seems I lost some memories after entering the dream. It makes sense now after coming to this dream place. Time that to remember that. Seriously, don't forget about your best friend. Was so sad, I thought my heart stopped. But hurt, I don't have a heart though. I'm still just a plushie. For fun. It's not so. But it's like a dream that I'm after rooting though you played a lot together back in the day. It's quite embarrassing that I forgot about it. Neither to mention. Why are you so embarrassed? You were the captain of the Team Rabbit. We used to go outside up on bench on adventures quite a lot. Yeah, we went on the various adventures together every day, and those were really good days. But then we became busy and stopped talking. Well, it can't be hard. We're going. Watching you back as I grew distant and became an adult makes me feel proud, and at the same time, a bit sad. It's as if I was not really anymore. I'm sorry for not being there for you all this time. Are you angry about me forgetting? Angry? It's the way I would be angry. In fact, I'm actually happy. The fact that I'm right here before you means you still remember me, even until now. I heard this story so tell me something later. We have a lot to catch up on. But right now, it's not a time for such. I hope to teach you. Pay attention and follow me as I explain, alright? Alright. This space is randomly manifested from the members of what you've experienced so far in your life. This computer right here is what manages the game space. Without this, it's hard to move around. Hard. When your sleep is light, this place becomes unstable. That's why this computer is used to stop or control the fluctuations in the space. If it becomes unstable, the space changes randomly and sudden events occur. making it impossible to even search for the cause of the nightmares. Confused. Is my explanation really that complicated? Well, in short, the computer is here to prevent abnormalities in the dream series, and it also prevents you from waking up. If you wake up as soon as you enter the dream, it will be all for nothing more. You program it all too. Moreover, the dream space is a shared space. So if you don't use this computer, you might enter someone else's dream space. Anyways, this computer is perfect, understand? That was a lengthy recollection. Next, I explain how to operate the computer. Yeah, that was some lengthy conversation right there. Okay. Finally. Yeah, we can play now. Computer is ready, try to access it. There's a task on loading accepted after it's done. Complete the task in order to fill the dream suite. What's this? Oh. Also, we have to collect it. Wait, right. That's the computer. The Phantasma is ready to talk under that. That one scared didn't. Okay. Use the noise button. Close one. It's going away now. You can exit out from the runners. That's about it. Whoa! Man, the dialogues when I skip. What should we do? What should we do? Ouch. I see something shine. Hindi ko ba box? Hindi the lamp. Alarm. Bro, we outdated. You mean flashlights, right? Okay. But sorry, start putting your hand on reaches. Close your eyes and then imagine the light. Whoa, like this. Wow, magic. Okay. This your hope I can illuminate even the darkest of darkness. Even when you can see practically nothing but that. I can see. I see. It's as if my words were gone in an instant. If you lose this lamp, or if your hope ever fades, it will be swallowed by the nightmares and never wake up again. So you must always keep it with you, don't forget that. How else I scared you on this? Don't worry, as long as I'm with you, this lamp will be safe. Why? It's because you may give me a charm with protective effect. So phantasmas can touch us. No, we might get started on $8. What is dollar? Yeah, that doesn't seem so too bad. Thinking about it, it feels like my heart is too weak for that. But since I'm here, you can explore with a peace of mind. Should have just said it from the beginning. Oh yeah, Rabbi is amazing. I thought you were cooler to say it later, and I thought you faced me. Wanna ask another line? Wait, don't be the electrical noise at the end of the whole big corner. We're going outside. Are you ready for this? Ooh. You can jump. You can. No, 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 no. You must be cautious. Oh. Be careful. I told you. No. No, 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 no. Let's up with this man. Music room, play the piano to calm the puppet. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, we can hide in here. What do you mean? Oh, there's a lot of chairs stacked out there. Sewing club disbanded. There's a lot of jump scares in this game. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay. Okay. Robbie, where are you, man? Electric only system breakers. What's that? Huh? What's that? What's that? This is the room the break is beginning. I'm not forward, man. I'm just being cautious, you know. Um, Pwede sa lakan here. Just in case. What a relief, bro. Okay, we did it. The power is back on now. You know, it is a lot this penal report this time. Hey, what's time on the other one? It looks like some kind of this. Maybe it's used for the computer. I'm pretty sure we're going to get something out of it. Let's look it up for later then. Look it up for later. Who is this? Oh, fun. Can you run away from me? Oh, stop with this. What is going on? You cannot escape this nightmare. What in the world? What? Okay, you don't have to. If you're feeling sick, you might be better to look around outside. Telephone phone. Yeah. Wow. I feel better now. Sana all you you just cured your depression by just looking out the window, you know. Yeah, that's great. Thanks for the suggestion, Mavi. I'm glad you're feeling better. By the way, do you still have the disk you picked up in the electrical room? That is to read it. Good. Try inserting the computer and see what it does. Alright. Oh, many of people. Took it about it to make out of files. There was 2 parts here and I'm doing the details. In closer inspection, it seems like the disk loading and the boom meter are linked together. Maybe if we complete more tasks, we'll be able to learn more about this feature. How about it? Let's try another test for starters. You got to be careful at the Phantasma store. Again, you definitely have to be careful. What's up? Complete tasks on the PC to advance the Zoom meeting. Check the cameras to see if the Phantasmas. Keep the red blockers hid. Alright, we can hide Phantasmas if we get too close. After some tasks, return the CD to the PC and cover your memories to boot. That's the top one, man. Oh man. Okay, this is like Five Nights at Freddy's. Am I right? Oh, 1. Zero. 1. Let's check the cameras. Do another task. Oh man, I'm so good. Yeah. Let's check another camera. Hey man, how you doing? What's that? Oh. Oh. What is that, bro? What the? What is it? Let's go with logo. Okay, we gotta do some tasks. What is that, bro? Go. Go. Do you need to calm down, bro? Oh my goodness. Okay. Music room. You type city music. You just a music room. A symbol of my happiness. Okay. Wait, let's go back. Let's make sure. Cam 1. I don't know what it is, man, but gotta go, man. Gotta go. Gotta roll. Musical. There it is. We're in the. Oh no! Oh, well, we gotta go. We gotta roll. Oh, there she is. Alright. Okay. Okay, who is this? It's 3 a.m. Just new task. Okay. Oh, I got this. Yes. Where are you, man? Where are you? Come on. Okay. Once this music stops, I think this story gonna go berserk, bro. You know what I'm saying? Okay, 0, 1. Yes, sir. Okay. One more. Gotta roll. Yep, there. Oh, gotta be kidding me. Low. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I don't like this. Oh no. You that creature from the ceiling, bro? Oh man. Who are you? Gaining justice difficult. I know. Yes. Just in case. Do Levi's videos on Sundays? I don't care, man. I'm more concerned about my death right now, bro. Yes. Yeah. Let's go back. Okay, let's go. No, it's just scary now. Go to the window. Okay. I'm back. Let's enter this CD. Okay. Oh man. That I don't know how. Okay, it's Uni's photo. She was so small back then. What's Uni? What is Uni, bro? Miss Universe, got him. Yeah, that's a nice one. Right? When I inserted this, Uni's photo came up. Anyways, it's been 6 years since Uni became part of our family. Time real flies. That's right. Undertake a bite. We used to dislike you at first. Yeah, that's true. Can we pause this game? I think we can save it. Alright. I have to double check. Oh no. Oh no, we missed something. A cutscene or something like that, man. Yeah, anyway, that's... So yeah, it's really scary, it's really interesting to play. I can't wait. And there's a story behind it, which made the game more interesting. Gonna play it again tomorrow, and that's all for today. And hope you enjoyed. That's what the Earth Part 1. So yeah, see you again next video. Bye.